On today's video, we bouncing. Yeah! Let's see how the power is. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to share with you what we are filming today. Before I get into it, I have something really cool for 20 special people. Listen, I've blown up a lot of businesses' social media pages just like these guys, and I'm giving away all my secrets to exactly how I accumulated millions and millions of views for them to the first 20 people who smash the link below. So what are you waiting for? Let's go get some views and let's go make some money. Boom! What is up, my YouTube fam? Today's gonna be a good day. I can just feel it. Whenever my clients text me saying we have new inventory, I get this like warm feeling and I'm just so excited. So we're gonna go to J&S, see what cars they have, but it's also a great morning because Nissan just dropped off the keys to the brand new Altima. It's a good looking car, man. Honestly, if you took away the Nissan badge, this car is giving me very Audi vibes. Yeah, something about it, and like the interior is like really nice with like these plush leather seats. I don't know, I gotta drive it, so let's go and take this car for a drive. We're gonna take it to J&S and then go see what cool stuff they have waiting for us. All right, so first impressions of this new Altima. This thing rides really smooth. These are a lot of potholes I'm hitting right now. Yeah, this road is not good. Yeah, it's a terrible road. These are on like 19 or 20-inch wheels, something like that. These seats are amazing. Dude. Yeah, I love them. I really do love them. Like, you get the seats are very cushy, very supportive. Yeah. They're adjustable. You have this very big touchscreen, pretty fast, it's pretty responsive. Yeah. We're rocking wireless CarPlay, wireless charging pad. You got USB, USB-C, plenty of outlets, big cup holder, heated steering wheel, heated seats, remote start, dual climate. Like, honestly, for a remote start too. Yeah, remote start, dude. This thing has a lot of really good amenities. Wow. For $36,000, and this car is basically fully loaded. I don't think there's any options missing. I could be wrong. Okay. But I mean, seriously, what else do you want? This car also has 360 cameras as well. I mean, 182 horsepower with a CVT transmission is not a recipe for performance at all. That's not what it's for. They do have a turbo version. I want to say it makes over 200 horsepower. I'm sure it has to. It's got to. I'm sure it keeps the same CVT transmission, but that car is more like 40s, like high 30s, 40s. The materials are really squishy. Yeah, it feels really good. There's nothing that's I don't know, ultimate energy. You know, like you don't get that vibe in here. And honestly, dude, the ride, like, I wish I could explain in words how comfortable this car feels. This car is just pushy. This car, supposedly, according to this button, has self-driving. I'm curious to see how it works. Let's see how the power is. You're floored, aren't you? I'm floored. Dude, oh my god, that is the loudest blinker ever. Nice sound. Do Altima drivers like drive with their blinkers on all the time? Is that why they had to make it so loud? You know, half the time I see an Altima on the highway, their blinkers on. So. Alright, let's try that self-driving. Self-driving mode? Alright, so let me click the self-driving button. Let me turn the cruise control on. That's it? I gotta put my hands on the steering wheel. What if you like just like wedge it? Alright, so like every like 10 seconds I gotta put my hand on the steering wheel. Which, you know what, my Mercedes, it's like 45 seconds. But not bad. Like, if I need to click a quick button over here, and like I can't give the road my full attention, this is a good thing to have. For $36,000, you get a car that steers for you on the highway. Yeah, and like really, what's the issue with touching the wheel every now and then? You gotta do it with your Mercedes anyway. Yeah, every car has to do that. This thing rides great. They did a really good job in this car. They did. Yeah. Good job, Nissan. All right, let's go to J&S. Pulling up, let's see what they got outside for us. Oh, nice McLaren. How many G-Wagons they got, bro?
Look at that color, bro.
So I want to make like a really cool like review on this because I feel like a lot of people don't really know what this car is, and we need to educate them.
I think we should.
And plus, I have a sweet spot for.
He's a little biased.
Oh yes, let's get a hot, relaxing back massage.
He's been bouncing for the past like 5 minutes straight, and I cannot get him to stop.
Pause.
It can only bounce so much.
Dude, look at this.
I know, man. He's been doing this all day.
On today's video, we bouncing.
Pause.
Look at this car, man. Mono blocks, bro.
So, first off, reclining seats. It's a must.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm so out of breath from that. That's luxury. This is just like comfy place. Like you have pillows, bro. Just.
All right, so I'm finally getting what I wanted. Taking the McLaren to the airport. So, oh, that's a lot of sand and rocks. Does it have lift?
Yeah, it's up already.
Oh.
A lot of vibrations going on here. Very big McLaren thing.
Wow.
Wow. Why? Do you see this car?
Like, what the f?
Wow, listen to the click. Very clitty.
Clitty.
This is my favorite part though.
Oh shit, it actually looks good. Fucking crap! Oh my god! Yeah! Holy fucking shit! Evan just went like 35. It was crazy. But in all seriousness, it does not keep traction. These cars are so crazy.
You know when we both are just silent?
Yeah.
That's when a car is good.
Like, listen, I was just telling Evan, like, he was like, oh, I feel like I'm kind of numb to it. And then he hits it, and we're both just like, oh, yeah, no, this car is one of the few that can still give us that fizz.
Because whenever I drive a really nice, exciting car, I always get like a nice little fizzing sensation.
All right, well, today was fun. Lots of cars, tons of content. Thank you, Nissan, for giving us the new Altima to come here with. I'm excited to have the self-driving on the way home. This was just a fun day, man. I honestly feel so blessed that this is like our life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, we could just wake up and like not know what's going to happen. Like,
So
oh,
amazing.
we're going to drive from McLaren to the airport.
Yeah, it's so amazing. Thank you to all of you who make this possible every single day. If you want to see more videos like this, you know where to click. I'll see you on the next one. Dude, look at the engine bay. Wait, what? Handcrafted by, what? Wait, these are handcrafted.
And they look like that. They're sick.
No, that's gotta be aftermarket.
No.
Really? I'm just getting a lot of respect for this car. I want to drive it. Yeah. I have something really cool for 20 special people. Listen, I've blown up a lot of businesses' social media pages just like these guys, and I'm giving away all my secrets to exactly how I accumulated millions and millions of views for them to the first 20 people who smash the link below. So what are you waiting for? Let's go get some views and let's go make some money. Boom!